Day 2. On today's task list, we have rolling these arches, front camber arms, coilovers, and tie rod ends. To be honest, I think I might just change the other one and then have one spare. I think that probably makes most sense. So we'll do that. Oh, need some energy. So I've made the guard work and it's rolled. The metal is so much thinner than a factory item, which made it a lot easier, so it's done in like 2 minutes. So this is all now flat. So hopefully that will stop my rubbing issues. The other thing that's going to stop my rubbing issues is coilovers. So I'm going to get all of this unbolted. Fronts are, to be honest, just as easy as the rear. They're just a little bit more fiddly. You've got a fork, so you need to unbolt the fork, unbolt the cup, and then you can wiggle it all loose, and then the strut can fall down. Then I have to unbolt the camber arm, which is 2 bolts inside the bay, and then the top ball joint, and then that can come out. Then get all that in. Then I can do this tie rod end. And what else do I need to do? Once I've done all that, then I can do the drop links. Let's crack on, shall we? So, camber arms are out. On an EK, they're such a pain in the ass. On an EG, they're on the top, but on an EK on the side, so the batteries had to come out. It's just, pain in the ass. So they're all out now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the coilovers like we did yesterday. Going to do them up, set the preload, set the height, and then get them in. Get these in first, and then I'll do the camber arms, because wiggling these in between the camber arms is a pain in the ass. So we'll do that, and then once we've done that and we've got some tension on the lower control arm, I'll do the tie rod end, and then we will do the drop links. Whew. Getting there, guys and girls, getting there. Update. It's been a while, I'm not gonna lie. The front's all done. Coilovers, camber arms, done. Kyle has very lovingly done the sumps. That's all back together. I've just put the exhaust back on, so that's all nipped up. So we just rebled the brakes as well because they were a little bit on the squishy side. Now we have these bad boys. Now, as Civic owners know, on the left-hand side, there's the chassis is in the way, so you've got to drop the engine a little bit to get clearance. So we're going to do that now, and just unfilter. So I'm going to fill up with oil. Drop links. Drop links are the last thing. Oh shit, the last thing. Whoo! It's hot, knackered, but I'm so excited to drive this damn thing. I've just fitted the shifter bushings as well. Check this out. Oh, you can't see, it's real dark. Can you hear it? Oh, there you go. Look at that! Beautiful. For those wondering why I'm putting these on, look at that. Hey. Yeah, it's literally hold on by this one, and that's quarter of the way split. This is going to be fun to drive. Free massage every time you drive. Bolt them on. Team, we're done. Wheels are back on. Carl's just moving the car that was parked outside so we can jack the rear down, jack the front down, and then we will see how this thing goes, eh? So we've done a lot. Like, we've done everything that we wanted to achieve. Even the torque mounts, I'll have to have a chat with Hard Race, but we had to cut one of them to fit the chassis, which is really annoying. But it's done, it's on, and the car is already shaking quite tremendously. It's starting to shake because I got a fake grille, it's starting to shake the bolts loose. So, yeah, I'm sweating balls, filthy. Oh, far out. Let's get this thing down and see if it works, eh? So I've changed my shirt because we just went for a test drive as you just would have seen, but there's a weird rattling. Turns out there's a rock inside my rotor. So we've just got that out with the compressor. Round 2. Alrighty, and we are done. So you can see the front's a little bit lower than the rear. I'll sort that out in future, maybe tomorrow if I get a chance. I'll probably raise the front up a little bit, to be honest, because it's rubbing on the other side. So first off, humongous shout out to Kyle, because he supremely helped me out, especially that cam belt. I fucking hate doing cam belts. A huge shout out, as I mentioned earlier, to JDM Yard and Hard Race, because they located the last coilovers in Australia for me, which was an awesome act. So yeah, just driven around the block and it shakes the shit out of me. So if anyone wants a free massage, come for a passenger ride and you're all set. I hope you enjoyed the build series so far. Sorry that it got a bit sporadic towards the end. I broke my camera and yeah, it kind of all went out of whack. So I'm gonna take this to Macca's now, get some lunch, because you know that's what you do in a Civic. And hopefully I'll see you in the next one, which is the alignment. And then scrutineering is the week that this video comes out. So yeah, and then there'll probably be a video of my car failed scrutineering, and then we'll have a list of things I need to do. Thanks very much for watching so far, and I'll see you in the next one.
Be sure to get some Macca's tray out of Macca's.
Oh. Yeah. Outro's done.